Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is the final week of Java 1. This worked relatively well for my video last week, I feel, so I'm going to try it out again. So, without further ado, this week's questions for our video is: how did my app come out? What would I have done differently? Java or Objective-C? And list a few things I could use more clarification. So, instead of saying how my app turned out, I'm just going to show you guys right now. So, let's see. Here we go. And let me restart this real quick so that you guys can kind of see how it actually runs. Alrighty. So, get a little closer here. Oh, my bad. Sorry, it didn't restart yet. There we go. And double click that. We should be in. Alrighty, so my app's name is Minimal Degrees, and I have it running the Hollow Light with Dark Bar interface up there. And you can kind of see how it's set up. So, just says get your weather, enter your zip code below to get started. So my zip code is 85392, and if I click get weather, it should work. Now, it may not. I've been experiencing this problem where it throws this error that I set up for if it doesn't find the zip code from the API. And so close that, and if I do it again, it should work. I don't know why, but since I've been grabbing more data on it, I've been having a harder time getting stuff from this API. And you'll actually see here in the log that it is getting the data there. It's just having trouble putting it into the actual app. So, let's see. Java IO file found exception. So, don't really know what exactly that means. I will try closing this again real quick. And I'll actually just uninstall the app. That seemed to fix it last time. So bear with me for a minute. Uninstall. Okay. Normally I'd stop and restart the video, but seeing that this is a problem, figure it might be a good idea to keep on the video. So here we go. So restarted. Hopefully it'll work this time. 85392. Get weather. And there we go. So I have a few images in here, and this image basically says it didn't get the image. So clear is that I could probably change that to show the same image as sunny. Probably will before I turn it in. Now you also have degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. I don't know if you can see that there. And then you have the minimum to maximum for both of those. And that's pretty much all I wanted to display. My app is called Minimal Degrees, so my intention is for it to only display the minimal stuff that you'd want out of the weather app, and that would be the temperature in degrees. And so let's put in another one, see if it gets it. Get weather. So I do believe it got that one. It just is close enough. So I'm going to try and figure out that error tonight, but you get the gist. It really doesn't do a ton, but that is what I have it doing. So let's actually show you the code real quick and talk about what I have in here. And so I really did not do the inflator, and that's because I just could not figure out how to implement it. I felt the documentation. So this kind of goes down to the list of few things I could use more clarification. The documentation for using the inflator I felt was very, very small for what we were needing. And I couldn't find really anything, even in the Android documentation online. So I kind of feel if you can't find it in the actual official documentation, then it should probably have more description on what we should be doing with it. What would I have done differently? Probably used a different set of images than what I grabbed, but I really didn't have a ton of time to put thought into that. So I'm kind of stuck with the 40 by 40 images that I'm using right now. So really low resolution, really, really small. That's an easy fix down the road, though. Java or Objective-C? Definitely Java. Objective-C, I feel there's a lot of restrictions here and there, and overall, it's just not as friendly to the developer, I feel. And so, I prefer Java. And that sums about all of it up. Like I said, the clarification, mainly just the whole templates and inflator thing, because that really didn't make much sense. Other than that, I felt it was a really great week. Anyways, hope it went as well for you guys as it did for me. And I hope I see you all again in next class. Thank you for watching my video. This is Nathan, and I'm out. Bye.